Alright guys, morning. Last class we stopped here. The first we did first example 1 here. Okay. We are going for next example. This is example 2 here. Okay, right here example 2. Alright, for example 2 here, if you read this, a mutual fund salesperson has arranged to call on 3 people tomorrow. Okay, based on the past experience, salesperson knows there is 20% of closing a sale on each call. Okay, determine the probability distribution. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing what we did for the first example here. First person he called the first person. He can do sale, he cannot do no sale. No, S is sale, N is no sale. No sale. What is the probability of him to do a sale? 20%. 20%, if you change to decimal, you will have 0.2. Okay. What color you use here? All black. Oh no, wait, I need to go for another. This is the first person. Sale, no sale, 0.2, 0.8. Second person should be sale, no sale. This one should be S. Draw this one first. I suppose you guys know how I do this outcome here. Go by branch. Your copy this one first. Done for this. Okay. Now, like next one is what? Probability. Yeah. Okay. Next one is a variable. Put x there. Put x there, and then what is x actually here? Determine the probability distribution of the number of sales. Number of sales, S, number of S. Here, how many S is here? 3. This one is 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0. Now we want to put in table. Okay, we want to put in table. Don't need to put the total now, just put x here. X start from 0, 1, 2, 3. What is for 0? 0 is 0.8 cube. What you can write in 3 significant figure. 3 decimal place. Like this. This is for 0. Okay. For 1, what you have to do? Take this one, plus with this one, plus with this one, or times 3. Okay, so let me know what, fill up this one. 1, 2, 3, let me know what you get. Yep. Kenapa ramai tak hadir Ada yang tak hadir, ada any program? Ada program tak? Ada. Alright, so what do you guys get here? 0.384 0.0696 0.08. If you draw the graph, that would be this is the graph. And then last one is probability distribution function. You don't need to show all. As I told you, the preferred one is this one. This is normally, I just teach you, normally we don't use it. Probability distribution function. So if you notice here, x equal to 0, for x equal to 0, what is I'm going to take this one, this value. Instead of writing the value here, I'm going to take this one. For x equal to 0, I can write it as 0 point. Q. This is if x equal to 0, and if x equal to 1, you can notice here x equal to 1, zero point 2, 0.8, there's a 2 here, and then if 1, you have to multiply by 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, yeah? So you put multiply by 3 here. This is if x equal to 1. Same goes for x equal to 2. This will be your dx. You can either write like this, I'll copy this one first, or you can combine. Later I'll show you how to combine.
Why late? Bangun lambat.
Alright, copy this one. Done. This one you can also write in terms of formula here. You can combine, I'm going to write this, combine 0 and 3 here. However, am I going to combine? You can also write it like this. Either write it like the above or write it like the one in combine. Both also can. Try to copy this and understand. If you put 0 inside here, you will get back this one. If you put 3 inside here in the power, you will get this one. That's how the idea goes. Just like a formula. I forgot to do another one. Just write here 0 otherwise. 0 otherwise. Alright guys, done all done. Okay, salin dulu. Alright, next one, exercise in class 1. Let fx is probability distribution function. When I say probability distribution function, what is the meaning? What I mean by probability distribution function? These are the two conditions. Bila saya bagi tahu apa tu probability distribution function, the probability must be in between 0 and 1. If you plus all the probability, you must get 1. If these two conditions fulfilled, that is probability distribution function. Now, go back here. They already mentioned is probability distribution function. So in your mind now, what do you have to think? These two conditions. When they already mentioned is probability distribution function, the probability is always in between, each and every probability is always in between 0 and 1. The summation, sum, this is notation for sum, I hope you guys know this. The summation of probability is always equal to 1, kalau lebih itu bukan. So now mereka dah bagi tahu ini adalah probability distribution function. Bermaksud dua condition ni dah satisfied, dah memuaskan dua condition ni. Okay. Now, they already give you the function here. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. So before we find the value of a here, let us try to put this in table. My most favorite presentation. Tadi kita letak table, graph dengan formulas, right? Saya suka yang table tu sebab dia jelas, nampak? Kita gunakan yang table tu. Okay, so how to put this in table? Dia dah bagi function. Dia dah bagi function ni. Saya nak letak dalam table. Just now I write this as x equal to x, but I allow you to write just x also can, doesn't matter, to make your life easy. So here also just now I write x, the capital X equal to small x, that is the notation for probability. We write it like this. But in your case you can also write it like this, never mind. So how many x are there? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what is the probability for this one? You replace the x inside here. Any number raised to the power of 0, kuasa 0, 1. You boleh tekan dalam calculator, you boleh check. Apa-apa nombor you raise to the power of 0, kuasa dia 0, dia adalah 1, jadi ini adalah A1, ini adalah A. So dekat sini adalah A. Bila letak 1, what is answer? I will write it A over 4. Apa-apa tak faham, tolong tanya. You punya test tak silap saya after mid-sem break. Ada yang dah tanya saya. After mid-sem break tu, after minggu ke-8, ini minggu ke-6. Next week minggu ke-7. And after minggu ke-8 baru ni. Chapter yang masuk setakat ni adalah nanti, chapter tu nanti saya ni. Chapter 1 dan 2 confirm masuk, 3 tu nanti saya pastikan. Bentuknya adalah, tak silap saya, kejap. Tak silap saya dia objektif. But saya pastikan dulu nanti. Alright. Kalau yang masukkan nombor 2 ni, 2 ni A 1/16. A6. So sini you tulis A over 16, A over 64. The question is, find the value of A. For you to find the value of A, as I told you, one of the clue is, if you plus, kalau you campur semua ni, you plus all this, all the probability, you should get 1. So equate with 1 and find the A here. So what we're going to do, we're going to plus all this, equate with 1. Okay, down here I'm going to do down here. A, find the value of A. So A plus A over 4, A over 16, A over 64 equal to 1. So what you do here, you can do this in calculator if you want quickly. The number here is 1. Okay, in your calculator you put 1 plus 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is here. Ini 1 over 4. Ini 1 over 16. Ini 1 over 64. You plus all, let me know what you get. In your calculator, 1 plus 1 over 4, 1 over 16, 1 over 64, what do you get? No, that's a fraction. Don't put equal 1 here, you just put plus this one. 1 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 16 plus 1 over 64, what do you get in fraction? You should get 85 over 64. Do you get this one? Okay. So this is the calculator. This is the calculator. All of you should get 85 over 64. Ada masalah tak nak tukar kepada fraction? Hari tu macam calculator, semua calculator boleh tukar kan dalam fraction? Boleh ke? So 85A, jangan lupa A tu, letak A atas, 64 di bawah, 1. Yang ini darab sini. Each of you maybe have your own method also can, as long as the A is 64 over 85. That is A. Yang bawah tu naikkan atas, darab. Yang darab tu bawah sini bahagi. Simple algebra. Ataupun you nak buat cepat, jangan tak nak buat macam ni. Saya bagi satu lagi ni. You nak cepat ini adalah 85/64. A dekat sini. Contohnya 2x sama dengan 4. Apa you buat? 4 bahagi 2 kan? Sama dah dekat sini. Ini sama 1. So kalau nak cari A tu 1 bahagi dengan 85/64. You tekan dia dalam calculator, terus dia akan dapat 64/85. Sama juga. Betul. You can do this way. Ni dah salin ke semua? Tengah salin. Alright, done. Still copying. Alright, for B now. Px equal to 2 here. Ini sama dengan kalau ikutkan dia punya formula di kat sini, Pxx sama dengan Fx. So kalau Px equal to 2, saya letak sini F2. F2 adalah, saya belum tulis lagi dia punya. Once you get A, what is your Fx now? Fx tadi adalah, Fx apa? A darab 1/4x. So A kita dah cari, A tu tulis sini. A apa tadi? 64/85. Tadi A 1/4x kan daripada soalan. A kita dah cari, tulis itu 64/85. Okay, this is the function now. You dah cari A kan, gantikan A dalam ni function. Now we go back to the question now. B ini F2 adalah you masukkan 2 dekat sini. Let me know what answer you get in fraction. What is the answer you get? Do you get 4/85? Okay, good. Now, for C here, Px less than 3. X less than 3 should be x start with 0. X less than 3 apa? Less than 3, 0, 1, 2. Find for me for x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. Replace inside the function here. Just now. Yang ni. Masukkan dalam ni setiap satu, lepas tu plus. May I know what is the answer again? If you press this, you get 84 or 85.
Good.
84 over 85. If you get this one. Salin dulu ini. Guys, saya nak ajar satu lagi dekat sini ya. Kalau soalan betul ni ya, x less than 1, x less than 1. Dalam soalan ni, dalam in this question ya, kalau kita nak jawab, ada satu lagi cara nak jawab. Saya letak sini O. Dalam soalan ni, dia punya X ada berapa? X dia berapa? 0, 1, 2 dan 3. Okay. So basically, if you go here, kalau you letak 1, 2, 3, 4, you ambil the probability. You take the whole probability. Kalau you ambil total probability ni berapa total? Satu kan? Probability. Kalau you campur semua probability satu kan? Tapi mengikut soalan dekat sini, according to the question, soalan kita nak 1, 0, 1, 2. Kita nak ambil probability from here to here. Dan kita dapat apa tadi? 84.05. Boleh faham? Boleh faham tak? Total adalah 1, tapi yang kita kira adalah yang ni, 1, 2 dan 3. Isn't that? Satu lagi cara adalah you cari yang ni 4. You cari yang ni. Lepas tu you tolak daripada 1, you akan dapat 84.85 kan? Betul tak? Faham tak? Ini kita buat 3 pengiraan. Tengok 1, 2, 3. Yang ini you akan buat 1 pengiraan saja. Lepas tu tolak. Yang mana lebih senang? Yang tolak tu kan? So it depends. In this case, this is much favorable. Ini you minus. You minus. Contohnya saya buat kali contohnya bila dia tanya ini, soalan dia x less than 3, you buat macam ni, 1 tolak x greater or equal to 3. Bila dia tanya less than 3, dekat sini tanda equal satu tolak greater than 3. Terbaliknya dia, kalau tak ada equal, you letak equal. Kalau ada equal, jangan letak equal. Okay. Now, if you do this, 1 minus Px or greater than 3, berapa dekat situ? X greater than 3 or equal to ini sorry, ini bukan 014, ini kosong. Kita faham. 0, 1, 2, 3. X greater or equal to 3 only Px sama dengan 3. So you (64, 85) you buat ni saja, you akan dapat 84 pun 5. Sama jawapan dia. Cuba salin yang ni. Saya tuju satu lagi jawab, satu lagi contoh. Salin yang ni. This will be helpful for you. Dah salin semua? Okey. Nah, ini tengok dekat sini sekarang. Contohnya sekarang contohnya lah. Contohnya you ada X 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, katakan sampai 6 lah dia ada. Okey. Soalannya adalah X less or equal to 1. Less or equal to 1 yang mana you akan ambil 0 dan 1. Boleh faham tak? Okay, you plus these two ni. Tapi macam saya bagi tahu tadi tu, total dia berapa? Total dia semua adalah, kalau semua you campur, you akan dapat total 1. Dia punya probability total dia adalah 1. Untuk yang soalan macam ni, you jangan minus dan minus yang ni, sebab pengiraan ni lebih banyak. Untuk yang less than -1, 1 ni, ini dua pengiraan saja kan, dua calculation. So ni senang lah. Tetapi kalau dia tanya macam ni, 5 dekat sini. Kalau ditanya 5, mana boleh? Kalau ditanya 5 dekat sini, berapa pengiraan you kena buat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kalau betul-betul you nak follow yang ni, you nak buat 5 pengiraan ke ataupun 1 tolak yang ini, yang mana satu? Kan? So bergantung pada soalan. Okay, you understand Now go back to the previous last class thing. There's one example here. Tadi itu jawapan untuk dia punya soalan final. Nampak situ sikit je. Okay, if you go here, the previous one, Ini yang previous one ya. Ini example pertama yang kita buat. Example pertama dekat sini. Dia ada 0, 1, 2 dan 3. So saya nak dekat sini saya letak O. Ada berapa tadi? 0, 1, 2, 3. Total adalah 1. Total adalah 1. Yang ini soalannya yang dia bagi kat sini adalah X. Soalan yang dia bagi sini adalah X lebih besar dari 1. Kalau lebih besar atau sama dengan 1, yang mana kita ambil? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Tengok dekat sini. Kita buat 1, 2, 3. 3 pengiraan. Ataupun apa kita buat? 1 tolak yang ini. Boleh faham? Ini 1 pengiraan saja. So yang ini pun disalin juga. You akan dapat 7/8. Ni lagi senang lah. So I hope you guys understand the process. Alright, exercise in class 2 now. Exercise in class 2 saya nak you orang buat ini ya. Buat table dulu. Ini. Find the value of K, so buat table dulu. Ada 6 nilai U 6. Two, three, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 10. So masukkan U2 dalam ni, you akan dapat 2/2K. 3 dalam ni 3/2K. And then 5 inside here you get 5/2K. Same goes here, 7/2K. Now find me the K here. Same method we did in the previous class. What is the answer you get for K? Anybody? Oh, there's a mistake here. This is 5K. Sorry. Sini 5. Minta maaf. Sabar guys, sabar. K is 10. You guys need a break or can I continue? Break kan? Saya bagi tak lama dalam 15 minit boleh? Boleh, okay, 15 minutes. After this exercise we will take a break. Lagi ada 2 sikit. Ni dah salin? Masih salin? Ada berapa orang ni? Aduh, biasa tak ambil kedatangan. 5, 10, 15, 20, 23. Kita berapa semua? 23 orang. Demam lah. Now find the probability distribution table. So kita kena lukis balik table yang ni tadi. Table ni kita letakkan nilai K sekarang. Untuk B two, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. And what is the probability? You masukkan 10 ni dalam ni sekarang. Kalau you masukkan dalam ni, you akan dapat 0.1, 0.15, try to insert first and check whether you get these answers or not. And for C is very easy. Kita nak cari probability U in between 4 and 8. In between 4 and 8 would be U is equal to 5, U is equal to 6, and U is equal to 7. Five, 6, and 7. So all you need to do is take 5, 6. No 6 there. Oh, they are equal kat sini, sorry. There's a equal there. In between should be 5, 7, and 8. 5, 7, and 8. That would be 0.25 plus 0.14 plus 0.16. If you do this, you will get 0.55. That is the answer. Alright, before we go for the next one, you take a break at 15 minutes. We start back around 10:43, something like that. We start at 10:40, yeah? You take a break first.